Welcome to Moyrika's Nutri Classes. I am Moyrika, your nutrition tutor. Today my topic of discussion is the role of diabetes educator in our society. But before going to today's topic, it's my request to all my viewers, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more notification in upcoming future. And remember, watch this video till the end so that you can be able to know more about it. If you want, you can share it with your friends, especially with those who wants to become a diabetes educator in future. So without any further delay, let's talk about today's topic. Who are called the diabetes educators? Are they doctors? Are they nurses? Are they dietitians or any other health professionals? Diabetes educators are actually those health professionals who have the complete idea, who have the complete knowledge about the diabetes and its management. Many people think that diabetes educator's role or the need for diabetes educator is quite overwhelming. But the actual fact is quite different. As we know that diabetes mellitus has become one of the most crucial disease burden in last few years, not only in our country but also in the foreign countries. That's why the profession of diabetes educator has becoming very emerging. This profession is quite complex in nature. It combines clinical, educational and also psychosocial activities. Normally, the diabetes educator guide or coach the patients of diabetes that how they can manage their disease and lead their life with a healthiest manner. They know how to take the medicines, they know when to take the medicine, and also they teach the patient, they coach the patient about their lifestyle. They also teach the patient about the complications of diabetes and its management, such as retinopathy, neuropathy or nephropathy. They also teach the patient or guides the patient about the proper medicine uptake, proper medications, about their dietary guidelines, and they also make an individual's guideline of lifestyle or personalized guidelines for the patients each. That's why the role of diabetes educator cannot be underestimated. Now, the diabetes patients, many diabetes patients have the need to use insulin injections, and most of them are afraid to use it. Diabetes educators make the initiative so that these patients can easily use the insulin injection with a proper way, and also they talk to the patients and they normally collect different data about them. They also guide to use the blood glucose meter in their home. So all these are the different role of diabetes educator. Now, if you want to become a diabetes educator, you have to complete your graduation in any paramedical course. If you are graduated from nursing, pharmacy or nutrition background or any other health professionals like physiotherapist, then you can apply for the 3 months diabetes educator course. And in this course, 75% attendance is must because most of the part of this course are practical. The diabetes educators have to gain the knowledge practically and they work in the practical field. At the till end of my video, I will give some institutes name where you can pursue or where you can join for the diabetes educator course. Hope this video is quite helpful for you. Then please comment and also share this with your friends. Thank you.